Maraming accountants yung takot sa audit at alam kong alam naman natin kung bakit. Kasi ito yung problema. Kapag sinabi ng auditor, paano nangyari tong transaction na to? Naku, panic mode. Ikaw ba naman yung pakalkalin ng accounting data na ni-record mo last year pa? Tapos kailangan mong sumisid muna sa bundok ng papel para lang makita yung hinihingi nila habang pine-pressure kang i-produce yun agad or else, baka may tinatago ka pala. Hirap, di ba? Pero if maayos yung accounting system mo, welcome ang audit. Bakit? Kasi the system records every transaction, every adjustment with complete audit trails. Bank reconciliation is easier. Reports are generated in real time. May attachment pa lahat ng records. At hindi mo kailangan mag-explain ng 5 oras kung saan galing yung numbers mo. Kung manual ang accounting mo, audit means stress. Pero kung automated, audit means confidence. So tanong, gusto mo bang kabahan tuwing may auditor? O gusto mong relax ka lang kasi alam mong maayos ang libro mo? Choose automation. Let the system protect your numbers para ikaw, protektado din ang peace of mind mo. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na